Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is August the 7th of 2025. We have made it to day number 110 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, guys, we are shooting a video, a 365-day challenge where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secrets to earn a full-time income within 1 year of doing so. Okay. So if you guys want to go back and watch these previous videos, please go back and watch the previous videos starting from day number 1 of this challenge so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. All right. So we're on 110 of this My Legion Secret Challenge, guys. We have quite a bit to go, and we have quite a bit of ground to cover. But we have seen some success, and we have seen some growth of this first 100 days. Okay, guys. So let's just jump right into it. Okay. So if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, okay. If you don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secrets is a email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're going to either see 100 or 200 leads coming in every single day. All right. And what separates the two is however many accounts that you have in your account. Okay. Now with My Legion Secrets, they let you have as many accounts as you want. But I wouldn't recommend going out and just grabbing multiple accounts until you start making money. Okay. Because what happened is that because there's a one-time charge of $60 to get it started and $30 a month. And if you get too many accounts, what ends up happening is that you get discouraged that, it may not be working fast enough for you and you end up falling off the system. Okay, right now I have 8 different accounts that I use. I simply come in every single day and I send out emails every single day in my back office, okay, of all 8 of my accounts. And, everything is good. Okay, so but that's not how I started off. Okay, I didn't start off with 8 accounts. I started off with a few accounts first. And then once I started to see some kind of result, I started to scale up and then scaled up to 5, and then from 5 was the sweet spot, and then I just started to buy more accounts, and I'm still buying accounts. Okay, so I would recommend you guys at least starting off with maybe 2 or 3 accounts, just starting off with, and then you just come in every single day. You let those leads build up in your account back office, and then you send out emails every single day, and you try to, you see if you can earn income from that. And then from there, you take that money and you reinvest in the system, or you just buy more accounts, right? So, I mean, pretty much reinvesting is buying more accounts, okay? So, just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work and it does convert. Okay. The only thing is that this is cold traffic, so you have to send out, good emails. You got to make sure that they work. You got to make sure that they're interesting, and then also you got to make sure your affiliate link is tied to the email. Okay, so you can get paid. So this is what your back office will look like, guys. This is my back office right here, but yours will look the same. The only thing difference would be the emails that you're sending out versus the one I'm sending out. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll go over here to the mailing system because this is where you're going to send out all of your emails. Okay. So all you will simply do is click on select all. It's just going to select however many emails that you have in your back office. Okay, and you want to come down here to the subject line and the body of text. Now, if you have sent out an email before in Gmail, or if you do this every day, if you correspond with emails every single day, this is going to be nothing to you. Okay. So all you have to do is put in a subject line and a body of text. All right. Now, the cool thing about these offers that we're promoting, so we're promoting an offer on ClickBank called Live Chat Jobs, which is social sales rep on ClickBank. Okay. This is one of the top offers on ClickBank, okay, in the e-business, e-marketing section. And then what we do is this offer has free email swipes. Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to use these free email swipes, and we're just going to copy and paste them over to the system. Like, it's super easy. So you got 1 here all the way down to 9, come up to 11, and then all the way down to 20. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're just going to come in and grab one of these emails, and you're just going to start from number 1, right? So just say, for instance, we start at number 1, right? and we grab this subject line, Control C, right? And we come over here to the mailing system and we Control V, right? And we paste that into the subject line, chat for cash, yes, please. We come down here, click on perfect timing. We grab, let's see here, we grab the body of text right here, which is this is the body. Okay, you grab that, Control C, you come back over here to the mailing system and you grab this, you take that out and you Control V. Like that's how easy it is to send out an email in the system, right? And I'm just showing you guys right in front of your face. Like it's just super easy to do. If you know how to copy and paste, like you can do this method, guys. It's just super easy, right? And ClickBank is free to get started, so it doesn't cost you anything to get started with ClickBank. You can get started with ClickBank. You can sign up today and start promoting offers today, right? So it's very easy to do, right? So that's pretty much what you would do. When it says "Hey name," you grab this code right here. These are the codes. Like the only code that you're going to be using is addressing your prospect by their first name. So you would just copy this code and you come down here and you put it in right there. And then right here is where you're going to click, get your clickable link. So you're just going to grab this right here, complete your application here, and you're going to turn that into a clickable link by going over to this link tab. Just click on that link tab, come down here, and then this is the link that goes with the email. So you just want to grab this link. Okay. If I can grab it, let's see here, right there, boom. And then Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, guys, Control V. Like super easy, right? And you want to just grab this, come a little closer here, and then you're just going to want to put in your affiliate ID. Okay. Don't put in mine, put in yours. So that way you get the credit. And what that does, guys, is turns this into a clickable link. Okay. Very, very nice. And then you come down here and you click on perfect timing. And then you have two tabs. Either one says either preview or send now. You click on preview. It's going to pull up your email in real time. You're going to click on this link and make sure that it goes to your URL. That's very important. Okay. And then you want to come back over here to the mailing system. You can close this out here. Okay, but this is like, I'm just showing you guys what it would look like if you were to just send out one of these emails. Okay, that's why I'm doing it. All right, and then boom, you just come down here, guys, and click on send now. Like, and then you just sent out an email in the mailing system. Now, after you send out those emails, guys, those emails, every email that you have is going to be stored right here under saved emails. Okay, so you don't have to go back and keep using the same emails, like copying and paste them over. Once you like, let's say for instance, once you complete all of these 20, they're going to be stored in here. Okay, in this section. Okay, and I have mine stored in there as well. So all you got to do is come back here to day number 1 and then just start and just click on load. So say for instance, we got an email, boom, and then just click on load. And then what that does is loads up the email for you. And it's already ready to go. You just click on perfect timing and then you come down here and then you click on send now. Okay. And what that's going to do is send out that email so you'll be ahead of the game. Okay. So that's how you do it, guys. We just sent out an email on the My Legion Secrets. Let's go over to ClickBank. ClickBank is, like I said, is a network platform that you can go to, and you can pretty much use other people's offers, okay, and earn income from their earn commissions from their offers. All right, and that's what ClickBank is all about. So you can go here and sign up for free. Doesn't cost you anything, guys. I've been with ClickBank for over a century. Okay, I've been with Click. Excuse me, guys. Been with ClickBank over a long time. It's pretty late. I've been with ClickBank for a long time. So I just wanted to show you the results today. We did send out some emails last night. So I wanted to come in here and show you the results from last night. Let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab. And today is the 7th of August. Okay, so today we're on social sales rep. We got over 1,100 hops, 1,100 unique hops. Okay, these are brand new IP addresses that came to our website. We got one order from impression. We got somebody that actually went to the checkout page and they're ready to buy. Okay, so they didn't buy for whatever reason, or they did buy. Okay, so unfortunately, we didn't get any initial sales today. We also didn't get any rebills today as well. So we didn't earn any commissions today. And I believe yesterday, let's look at the algorithm here. So yesterday we didn't earn anything as well. But as you can see, what it's been looking like, guys, is we've been getting sales either every other day or every 2 days. Okay. So I guarantee you tomorrow we're just going to have a sale just from whatever. Okay. And I believe that on this day, I believe we made a sale, or this day, one of these days. I believe it was this one. So tomorrow we should be getting that rebuild tomorrow. Okay. So that's been the algorithm for, these last couple of weeks is what it's been looking like. We either get a sale every single day or a sale every other day or a sale every 2 days. And this right here, guys, is just direct linking to our affiliate page. Okay, this is no landing page or a squeeze page or anything like that. We're just strictly direct linking to our ClickBank account. Okay, so what we're going to do here, starting probably next month, after this month of August, we're going to start getting into, or maybe even sooner, getting into some landing pages and some squeeze pages that we're going to start using instead of direct linking. Okay, and what that does is helps with our conversions, and it helps with the sales, and it helps you get the sales more consistently. Okay, and so we're going to test that out and see which one that you guys like the best. Okay. I'm thinking that you're going to like the squeeze pages, where we're going to create these little squeeze pages, and I'll make videos about that on what I'm using to use make squeeze pages, and it's very inexpensive for you guys to use. But I would recommend getting some kind of software where you can build squeeze pages, and I have the perfect solution for you. Okay. So, but for right now, we're just direct linking because I want to keep everything super simple and super easy to use. Okay. Now, if you want to get started here, guys, with My Lead Gen Secret, I did leave a link below this video. So just click on the More tab and you come down here to this tiny URL right here, the MLGS True Freedom. Click on that. It takes you over to the landing page of My Lead Gen Secrets. You can create your first account right here, guys. So go ahead and create that first account. Send me an email. Let me know that you signed up. That way I can send you some bonus emails to get you started off pretty quick. Okay. So that's what it is, guys. I just showed you guys how to send out an email, how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion secret system. And if you, like I said, if you want to get started today. Also, let's see what else I wanted to tell you guys. Oh, yes, you remember it's only $60 to get started. It's very inexpensive. And then $30 a month to keep the service. And then what you're going to get in return, guys, you're going to get thousands of people coming into your back office every single month. You're going to be able to build these accounts up to thousands and thousands of people. And you can come in every day and send out one email every single day. Now, I've already sent out my emails already just to get ahead of you guys. But you can send out one email every single day. Okay. So that's what it looks like. If you don't remember what anything that I just said right now, go back and watch this video so you can kind of get an idea on what I was talking about, or just go back and watch these previous videos. A lot of these videos that I'm shooting, guys, I'm going to get, I'm starting. I'm going to just start letting you know to go back and watch these previous videos because in the beginning, this first 100 days, I'm literally going through step by step on how to send out an email. Like, so if you have no idea how to do it, go back and watch those videos from the beginning. Okay. So, because the beginning, I'm showing you guys step by step. I'm not getting into any more advanced marketing or anything like that. I'm going step by step on how to do it from the beginning. Okay. So, right now, I'm kind of getting to a point after day number 100. It's just time to start moving on a little bit from that because, like I said, the first 100 days, I'm just going through and showing you guys step by step. Okay. So go back and watch those videos. I don't have to do that on every video moving forward. Okay. You kind of get the idea if you go back and watch those videos and then come back to this video. That way I can start, giving you more information and giving you more tips and tricks on how you can start earning even more income with this system. All right. So that's it, guys. I'm cutting this video pretty short today. Okay. I'm not going to go on any longer. I just wanted to show you the results from today and showing you the traffic on what we got and also if we earned a sale or anything like that. Okay. But I did send out my emails today. So I'm going to meet up with you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.